Good evening traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good, and all of you are aware that tomorrow is weekly expiry of Nifty, right? So this video will be on Nifty to identify the key levels in the viewpoint of option sellers. So before we dive into analysis, please make sure to read the disclaimer appearing on the video, and if you are enjoying the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you will never miss an update from my side. So let's get started with our Nifty analysis and see what levels we need to be watchful for tomorrow's expiry. So before I go into do analysis for tomorrow, I want you all need to go back to the last week price action of Nifty and understand the behavior of the instrument. Okay, now if you look at the 10th of September, that is Tuesday, this is expiry date, right? Now the price was able to open at the higher levels, but the price was not able to sustain and it has closed flat. Here at the initial stage or the early morning, if anyone have been able to buy puts in this area, they would have been able to make a good amount until 10 o'clock. After that, there is no way to gain good amount for the option buyers because the complete day was in the favor of option sellers. And very next day, this is a normal day and this is expiry day. In the normal day, again the price was stood in the same zone, okay, and there was no any trending moves. This is a flat day, right? It was a flat day, and by looking at this price action or this moment, if anyone have sold puts in this area, okay, that is 23,500 or 23,600 or 23,400 puts, if anyone have sold here, by this time they will be in a very good profits, right? If you want, you can go to the price chart and you can see what is the price here on 11th of September for 23,500 puts or 23,600 puts or 23,400 puts. You will be able to see how much decay they would have been able to gain for the option buyers who have sold the puts at this area. Okay, on this day, if anyone, if they have sold the calls here, the call writers would have been ran away from their positions or square of their positions by looking at this rally that has come around 2 o'clock in Nifty, especially, right? In Nifty, it was almost 430 points of rally in last 1 hour. Okay, they would have been not able to bear this rally. They would have been run away from their positions. The call writers are out, right? Here again, by assuming that this rally can cool off and they release a chances that at least it can take 50% of retracement. So if you look at the 50% of the retracement here, by expecting this 50% of retracement to the levels of around 23,700, okay, if they have made any positions by selling here the call writers, okay, if they have sold calls here after half an hour or 1 hour, okay, again the price was trying to move up direction, so they would have been cut their positions here. And that too today, I don't think any of the call writers would have been able to sell the calls in this area, because by looking at this furious moments at the end, they will not be so courageous to have their calls sold at this area, correct? In this point of view, we have to be very careful, okay, tomorrow's price action, how the Nifty is going to behave. Okay, now if you look at this price action, I'm going to draw the high of today. Okay, this is the high. So I will mark this high and I will mark this low. Okay, I will see by looking at the American markets, we are seeing there is around 200 points positive. So the Dow is 200 points positive. By looking at this price action, there is a high chances that okay, there will be somewhat gap up movement, gap up opening in Indian markets. So in case we will discuss those three options also. One is gap up, one is gap down, the other one is flat opening. So we will discuss what if there is a gap up opening. Okay, if the price is opened around how many points from here, it is 90. If it goes more than 200 like this, 200 points of opening or 150 points of opening in or else you can consider around 150 points of opening in Nifty. So what could we need to do? What are the chances that we have? So if, as per me, if Nifty opens around this level, okay, I will try to take some puts. I will try to buy some puts in this area. Okay, because I am an option buyer, I am not an option seller. I will try to buy some puts here with a strict stop loss of first 3 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 minutes of candle here. If first 5 minutes candle is created in the red color, okay, I will consider this top as an SL. I will try to short the market. In the sense, I will try to buy some puts, okay, to the target of this level, that is 23,989 or else 24,000. After that, I will leave the market, let it go downside another 500 points, or from here it let it go for another 400 to 500 points for the upper side. I will not be interested. The first trade is over for me. I will just close my terminal for the day and I will not look out for the further trades. Okay, in case if there is a gap up opening and the price sustains here and it is going upwards direction, I will leave Nifty to go from here how long it wanted to go. Okay, but I will not be interested to take any calls for the upward direction unless if there is a flat opening here. Okay, by 10 or by 10:30, if the price is sustaining here and it is breaking this position, I will try to take call positions with the limited quantity, with not higher quantity, with limited quantity. Okay, and next, if there is a flat opening and the price coming towards this level, I will try to take again calls. I will try to buy put. I will try to buy calls in this area with assuming that there could be somewhat rally to this higher levels from this bottom levels. Okay, what if there is a gap down opening? I mean, it is gap down opening. What I will do is I will try to wait for this level, and if I see if there is a quick reversal from this level, I will try to take some calls. I will try to buy calls with a limited quantity. I will not go with my 100% of quantities. I will reduce it to 20% or 30% of my quantity capacity. Okay, and if it is a gap down opening and if it is going through this, I have already explained, I will be trying to look an opportunity to buy calls for the upward direction of this target. Once I reach this level, I will square off my positions and I will close the terminal for the day. I'll wind up for the day. Okay, so now please be careful. Nowadays there are some furious moves that are coming after 12:30 or 1:30 or 2 o'clock, right? Earlier it was 3 o'clock, now it was around, it has timing has shifted to the 2 o'clock. I don't know who is buying at this timings. So please make sure that the second session will have a lots of volatility, and don't wait to catch up huge points. And then unless if you are for example, if I want to explain here on Nifty, if anyone have purchased it at this level, I think the Nifty was around 25,000 K, it was trading 25,000. Okay, on that particular expiry day, 25,000 was trading at around 12 rupees or 13 rupees. It got closed around 400 or for 350 rupees, right? So be careful and don't be in assumption that my view is correct, my analysis is correct. Though the Nifty or Fin Nifty is traveling from my point to another 200 to 300 points, I have a strong belief that it is going to come back like this. So please avoid that kind of an assumptions. Please trade according to the levels that what you are seeing in the chart, and don't be in assumption to take any of your positions. Okay, in this, saving capital is very important. Saving capital is very important. So when there is no direction and when there is no view from your end, avoid the trading for the day. Without trading for the day is also okay, is a profit for the day, right? So try to save your money, and when you feel if there is 2 rupees call or 3 rupees call, it is going to be at 140 or 150, then you can invest 2000 or 3000 or 6000, 5000 to catch up this huge moments. And when there is no clear direction from your end, and whatever the analysis that we have done here, it is not matching with you, and if you have a different opinion, so try to avoid the trading. But still, if you want to trade with very less lots. If you are trading with 10 lots, try to trade with only 2 lots or 1 lot, and satisfied with that. Okay, thank you guys. This analysis should help you tomorrow. Okay, and if there is anything, if I see something is going to be work out for us with our analysis or with our expectations, I'll make a short video and post you that can help you in during the trading. Okay, thank you guys. Good night. Have a good day tomorrow.